You are not crazy. I need you to hear that before we go any further. You are not too sensitive. You are not overreacting. You are not remembering it wrong. But someone has spent a long time making sure you believe you are. And the most disturbing part is not that they lied to you. It is that they made you lie to yourself. Gaslighting is the most insidious form of manipulation that exists. Not because it is aggressive, because it is invisible. It does not leave bruises. It does not raise its voice. It does not make threats. It simply rewrites your memory, reframes your perception, reorganizes your reality until the person in the mirror feels like a stranger. And by the time you realize, you do not trust yourself. Today, we are dismantling this completely. How it works, your brain, the target, the phrases. This is a survival manual. Let us start with the origin. In 1944, a film called Gaslight told the story of a husband. He dimmed the lights. He denied it. He moved objects and lied. He isolated her. 80 years later, only the tools have changed. Understanding the mechanism is the first step. Gaslighting targets source monitoring, your brain's ability to distinguish what actually happened. Source monitoring has a vulnerability. It can be corrupted by repetition and authority. If someone tells you repeatedly your memory is wrong, your brain starts incorporating it. The gaslighter becomes the loudest, most consistent voice. They just need to make you unsure. Uncertainty is all they need. That fog is not confusion. It is cognitive furniture rearranging. Now the stages. Stage 1, idealization. They need to become a trusted source first. This overlaps with love bombing. They establish themselves as an authority on you. Stage 2, small distortions, subtle lies. 1 becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. Your internal compass starts drifting, not because it is broken, because of that magnet. Stage 3, escalation. Now they deny things that clearly happened. They rewrite everything. They recruit allies. You are fighting a consensus that was manufactured around you. Stage 4, domination. You doubt yourself before they even speak. You apologize for everything. This is the goal. Dependency. They have made sure they are the only option available. The phrases, "That never happened." Direct denial delivered with absolute certainty. You are being too sensitive. Your legitimate response is reframed as a defect. You are remembering it wrong. It does not say you are lying. It says you are broken. I never said that. Even with the words echoing in your mind, your certainty cracks. Everyone agrees with me. Social proof to make you feel like the outlier. You adjust. You always twist things. The preemptive strike. They inoculate themselves. You are crazy. Sometimes they just say it. By that point, you feel it. It was installed. Who gets targeted? People with high conscientiousness. You examine your own behavior. People with a history of invalidation. Gaslighting feels familiar, not comfortable, familiar. People who value the relationship. You give them the benefit of the doubt 40 times. How to reclaim? Start documenting everything. Texts, emails, conversations. Write it down. Build a psychological anchor. Your memory is not broken. Give it backup. Give it proof. Stop seeking their validation. They will never confirm it. That is the entire game. Trust yourself. Talk to people outside. Narrate the pattern. The moment you speak, the fog lifts. Recognize the pattern. Denial, distortion, blame. You are looking at a strategy, not love. If you feel less sane, less real, that is not love. That is demolition. Real love clarifies. Your perception was never the problem. Your perception was the target. Trust that part. Tell me the phrase that hit different. Knowledge is the one thing gaslighting cannot survive. Subscribe. We go deeper next week. Thank you for watching and reclaiming your reality.